In the evolution of human civilization, data has become the bearer of culture and wisdom. Amid the waves of technological innovation, automatic identification and data capture devices guide humanity to foresee changes and future trends. Rongta Technology, a leader in AIDC devices and solutions. With over 10 years of deep experience and strong R&D capabilities, provides excellent products and services to global clients. From overcoming numerous challenges during Rongta's startup phase to establishing a global presence, Rongta Technology forging a remarkable journey with steadfast determination. Outstanding R&D capabilities, continual industry accolades and recognition. Every leap forward is the best testament to innovation. 119 R&D personnel, strong R&D and innovation capabilities. Products certified by leading product and safety quality standards in respective markets, laying a solid foundation for Rongta's development. New forces continuously inject vitality into Rongta's innovation and R&D. Strict testing and certification, high standard quality control, fully in control of the growth potential of the AIDC device and solution market. A diversified and international management team, professional R&D and innovation capabilities, adhering to a multi-dimensional development strategy, enable Rongta Technology to efficiently meet the diverse and personalized needs of Rongta's clients. The immense market demand for AIDC technology paves the way for a promising future in the field of AIDC devices. Rongta Technology boasts hundreds of products and over 20 new products in the pipeline each year, provides cutting-edge, integrated, and efficient solutions for clients in the retail, education, catering, logistics, warehousing, and healthcare sectors. After years of hard work, Rongta Technology has established stable partnerships with many well-known enterprises. Recognition from clients fuels Rongta Technology's continuous progress. Today, Rongta Technology has become a leader in the AIDC device industry. Rongta's products are available in over 30 provinces nationwide, with a business network spanning over 140 countries globally. Leveraging Rongta's solid foundation and market position, Rongta Technology will meet market demand with continually advancing technology and further expand the global AIDC device market in the years to come. The new economy, represented by the digital economy, has become a new engine for economic growth. The market demand for AIDC devices is rapidly increasing. Rongta Technology, committed to advancing the digital transformation and upgrading of global industries, builds a bridge that connects the future with technological innovation. Rongta Technology.